be a part
So
of this.
obviously we talk about waste and everything. So, get rid of the waste. That's what we need to identify first before we do the continuous improvement. If on the one slide you can see I got a package from Amazon again, and it was like, the box was, I don't know, it had to be 3 foot by 2 foot, and it was all packaged with paper basically, and 3 little toilet bowl cleaners in there. And then obviously the one above it is that Rich ordered a motor, and it came in this nice box, as you can see there. And that was one little piece that's right here in this whole big box, okay? And then they went and took the elaborate part of this. This whole box breaks down. It has hinges on it and everything. So we've got probably the box costs half as much as what the motor costs. So there's just a lot of waste. So we got to keep an eye out for that. All right. So we want obviously that's not value added that we paid for. Obviously we paid for this box. So it's either way you look at it, we paid for it. So all right. So we want to do that. Anybody want to take the box home? Grab it. So it's not going to be here long. All right. And also there's a toolbox here. We found we don't need any more. If you want to take it. All right. Any questions? Thank you.